few moments later.
Stop scrolling, creators. What if I told you that you can make your videos look 10x more professional without expensive software or animation skills? Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me, because I'm about to show you something powerful, free, and insanely easy that can level up your content right now. Welcome back to Tech Drop, your ultimate source for discovering tools that actually move the needle. Today, we're unlocking a secret gem called Jitter.video. And trust me, if you're a content creator, YouTuber, or social media addict, this is your new best friend. Jitter is not some complicated AI-heavy tool. It's more like Canva, but for animations. That means you control every move, every layer, every effect. Want animated logos, custom subscribe buttons, social post animations that pop? It's all drag, drop, and done. All right, let's break it down step by step. First, head over to Jitter.video. The site works right in your browser, no downloads needed. Second, create a free account using just your email. No credit card, no trial limits, just straight up access. Third, once you're in, hit the Templates tab at the top. And this is where the magic happens. You'll see templates for literally everything: animated like and subscribe buttons, title reveals, mobile app previews, chat bubbles, and even full-screen intros. Just click one you like. Fourth, tap on Duplicate and Edit. This opens the editor, and now you're the director. Click any text, type your message. Click an image, upload your logo. Want to change animation speed or add sound? Yup, all inside the panel. It's super intuitive. If you've used Canva, you're already halfway there. Let me hit you with some pro tips. Dart sign, add an animated subscribe button 15 seconds into your video. That's where most viewers drop off. Bang sign, use a logo animation at the start. It makes your brand stick instantly. Fire sign, animate your key info like tech specs or titles. It breaks the visual monotony and keeps eyes on the screen. And remember, you can export your final animation as an MP4 or even a transparent WebM to overlay on your videos. That's a game changer. Oh, and did I mention you're doing this all for free? No watermark, no tricks, just clean, smooth, high-quality animations. In the fast world of YouTube and TikTok, standing out is everything. You've got seconds to hook your viewer, and animations like these make all the difference. So, whether you're just starting out or trying to take your channel to the next level, Jitter.video is a tool you can't afford to ignore. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this with a fellow creator who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Drop for more insane tech tools that actually work. Now go on, bring your videos to life one animation at a time.